Hello Terry, hello dear association. I'm here with Mike from Gibson Heating and Air, a licensed and insured AC vendor. Basically, Mike, tell us what we're going to do.
What I want to do is take the copper into the attic part and come over to the soffit and then cut the soffit and bring it straight down this wall, attach it, and put a line set cover that's going to be 4 inches out, 5 inches wide, and 4 inches back. And then you can paint it whatever color you want. It's going to go into the ground roughly about 6 to 8 inches. And it's going to go all the way down to the corner to the unit and connect right to the unit. So it'll come up about maybe 2 or 3 feet out of the ground before the unit and connect right to it. That's
okay, let me show you. Okay, basically Mike wants to take it over the bushes, but it's going to be exposed on this side. It's going to look like this gutter, okay, but we are going to have a conduit that is running in here all the way this side, okay, all the way in the back. I'm meaning like in the back. It's going in the back, it's going to here, okay, it's going in the back in here, not exposed, okay, and it's going to come out and connect to this unit. So everything will be in the back. The only exposed area will be from my porch down, but it's going to look like this gutter, okay, nothing strange, okay, but he's going to take everything out of my unit. Let me do a short video for my unit to show you how it's going to look.